In this quiz app, first of all, I will tell the summary, framework and libraries. Framework like UI build, React building the UI component, React Bootstrap styles, layout and Bootstrap predefined classes, quiz data, questions, options, data state management tools, current question scores, source code, select options, and other thing also, question navigation, submission, restart feature, condition feature, form handling, styles, layout, and edge case handling. Now I think we go in a VS Code. In this VS Code, this is app index.jss, and then this is a app.jss. Here import quiz app, and from the quiz then we can write these things. Then we go for questions. This is a quiz questions for the all these things. This is like 165 two questions are there. Now we go for, in this, here we all write all these things. Import React and use state from the React button, Bootstrap React, and this is Bootstrap CSS. Then create a function for quiz app, arrow function. In this arrow function we have for use state, current question scores, showing scores, and select options. Then we have, after this we go for return function. Then return, in this return, inside this we create div. Okay, instead of creating div, we create container. Class name empty -5. Okay, here container. This is Bootstrap classes. Then row, inside this row we have something CSS. This is custom CSS. Here contain is a Bootstrap and row is a custom CSS. You can easily understand these things. I will class name justify contain center. Okay, then inside this call1, in this column MD eight. Inside this card, the format is card format. Inside this card.body. Okay, now card.title dot class name text center here we write quiz application. Quiz application. Okay, then we go for show score. Show score question mark. This is operation, and then we start div inside this div. Before this div we create class name. Text center. Okay, okay. Then h2, don't focus these things, I will complete. h2, inside h2 your score divide by quiz data dot length. Okay, then we need one button. Inside this button restart quiz, and inside this button some variant primary, and one function is called on click. Inside this on click arrow function window dot location dot reload. Okay, okay. Then we close this colon. Inside this colon again we create this thing. Inside this we create div. Go to the question, copy all the questions, Control A, Control V, come here, outside the function we write these questions, and then come to this div. Inside this div, first is h4. Okay. Inside this h4, questions. Curly braces. Inside this curly braces, current question plus 1 divide by quiz data dot length. Okay. Then we also create one more thing, p tag. Why we create? For displaying the data. Inside this p quiz data in current question dot question. Then we create form tag. Inside this form we have these things, quiz data dot current question dot option dot map. Inside this map, options and index. Inside this we create form dot check. Form dot check. Inside this key index. Inside that id equal to this id, not this id, this id. Inside this we create option minus dollar symbol. Inside this dollar we write index. Okay. Then name quiz options label options value options checking. Then check equal to selected option equal to option then one more on change. Sir, you are creating long thing. It's a good for you. If you go this way, then you easily understand. Inside this arrow function E, in this arrow function select option, select option dot e dot target dot value. This is for you, is a good way to create e dot target dot select options here. Otherwise you feeling okay na? This is good way. Then again create div. This is for checking the questions. Here div. Inside this div we have class name. In class name d dot flux justify IFY content between m minus 4. Here one button. Here button. Inside this button quiz data should be, we are doing something, don't worry. First of all button, inside this button first of all variant is secondary, and on click inside this on click arrow function, in this arrow function if condition, if current question less than 0, then set current question -1, then select options should be empty. Okay na? Okay, then close if block. Here after on click disable, in this disable function current question equal to 0, then back button. Then students pay attention. In this button we create back, copy this button. Same thing for next button. Variant should be success. मगर one thing, option should be quiz data dot length -1. Condition should be here, we change plus. Set select option disable, and quiz data dot length -1 means this question, after this question we have changes these things. Then we say next. Okay, after this button we need one more button for submitting. Don't Control V, same thing. Don't do these things. Do again. Here button should be primary, okay. Variant should be primary. On click should be not there. On click should be not there. And then disable should be there, and disable say not these things, not equal to select options, or here handle answer submit, and next button should be changed into submit. Okay, in this button we create submit. Then come out, return function. Here we left one function, name is const handle answer submit. Arrow function. In this arrow function, then if block, if sorry, if select option equal to quiz data current question dot answer. Then score should be set score. Inside this score plus 1. Close this, then OK. If block completed, then const next question equal to current question plus 1. Then if block, if else, okay. If else, if next question quiz data dot length. Students, we don't know how many length in array. That's why quiz data for length we writing. Select current question next question. Then select option should be empty. Else set so score should be true. Okay. This much done. We have some errors. Okay, we resolve these errors. Don't worry. What is error number 1? 3 3 7 3. What is the problem? Spelling should be my error. Quiz data. Then four one eight. What should be there? Okay. What is the function name? Remove this. I reduce some questions to easily understand. Then we go for output. See here, output. Check. This is one. Go. You also option back option. You can again submit it, and one next option also there. Skip these questions and this, and submitted this. Score will be given. Okay, now easily score. Okay, you can understand what is the mistake of score. can see easily score. Not mistake, nothing is there, but I think this is 3 questions, that's why. Thank you for listening classes. Thank you, students.